Hi, I'm Jacqueline, and I wanted to talk to you about the Snowman from Heaven Sew Along. We're going to be getting started really soon. It's going to be so much fun, and I just wanted to show you some of the things that we're going to be doing with this sew along. So it's a free sew along. You will get the pattern to make one block per week, and our instructions are super easy to follow. People love our written out instructions because they have lots of diagrams, very easy to follow. So we're going to be making one block per week. And then in the 5th week, we'll add the borders. So it's going to be quick, 5 weeks. In 5 weeks, you're going to have your whole table topper or your table runner top done. So it includes these cute little snowmen in the middle. And the panels are available for separate purchase, but you don't have to buy the panels. You can do the embroidery patterns, which are included in the free sew along. So when you sign up for the free sew along, you're going to get the table runner pattern, one block per week, and then the borders, that's free. And also you're going to get the embroidery patterns for free. So that is the free version of our Snowman Sew Along. It's going to be really cute. Now, if you want to just make it even more fun and get extra projects, you can sign up for our VIP workshop. Now that's going to include a lot of extra fun things in it. So you're not only going to get the table runner pattern, you're also going to get video tutorials for every single block that we're making and how to do the borders. And then you're also going to get 2 bonus projects. So those bonus projects are the matching placemats, which are so cute, and they match the table runner, and they each have a snowman in the center. And again, you could use the panels or you could do it the hand embroidery for these. And then our 3rd project, which is only available to our VIP workshop members, is going to be the wall hanging, which is so cute. It's great for those odd little spaces. In your house, sometimes you need just like a skinny wall hanging to put somewhere. And we're going to be talking about how to make QSTs, how to trim them up so you get perfect QST or hourglass blocks. We're going to be talking about making flying geese. We're going to talk about how to sew our units together so we get nice points. I know people have trouble getting their points when they're doing these kinds of blocks. So we're going to be talking about that also in video tutorials. So that's going to be a lot of fun. So if you join the VIP workshop, $24.95, you get all 3 projects. You get the table runner, the wall hanging, the placemats. You get video tutorials, but you also get the color embroidery guides for the hand embroidery, which makes it really easy. And actually for VIP members, these embroidery patterns have already been released. So if you join the VIP workshop, you're going to get the hand embroidery designs immediately, and you can start stitching up your snowmen right away if you want to do the embroidery version, and you can have them ready for when we start our sew along. You also get, as a VIP member, 10% off our snowman shop. So what's in our snowman shop? In our snowman shop, you've got the panels with 2 different kinds of panels for the snowmen. One set says cold hands, warm heart, and let it snow. And then the other set says heaven and nature sing and joy to the world, the Lord has come. So if you buy the panel, it includes the tiny little heart buttons, which are so cute. If you want to do the hand embroidery, you can buy the buttons separately. And again, you can get 10% off of that. We also have in our shop the matching quilt labels, so you can get 10% off of those. And then finally, if you didn't do our Snowmen and Silent Night sew along a couple of years ago, you can get this pattern for 10% off and make the square wall hanging. So this would be available in our Snowman shop just as an extra, another project that you could do using the 4-inch snowmen panels. So whether you choose the free version to make the table runner with us, I'll show you the table runner one more time. You can make this either with the free version, the table runner, or you could choose to do the VIP and get the table runner plus the wall hanging, the placemats, and all those video tutorials and 10% off of our shop. And either way, you're going to have so much fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. Hope you will join us.